AI is creating millionaires overnight, and you could be next. In this video, I'll reveal 5 powerful AI business ideas that can make you $10,000 or more per month, without needing any tech skills. Make sure to watch until the end. Idea number 5 is a hidden goldmine that most people don't know about. Let's dive in. Idea number 1. AI-powered content creation. Businesses need content every day, and AI tools can do most of the work for you. With tools like ChatGPT, Jasper AI, and Canva, you can offer 1. Blog writing services, earning $50 to $200 per article. 2. AI-generated logos and social media designs, selling on Fiverr or Upwork. 3. AI voiceovers and script writing using tools like 11 Labs and Murph AI. Many freelancers are making $10,000 or more per month just by using AI to create content. Idea number 2. AI chatbot business. Customer service is moving to AI, and businesses are paying top dollar for chatbot automation. Using tools like ChatGPT, ManyChat, or BotPress, you can 1. Build AI chatbots for restaurants, real estate agents, and e-commerce stores. 2. Automate customer support and lead generation. 3. Charge businesses $500 to $2,000 per chatbot setup. Just a few clients can generate $10,000 per month or more. Idea number 3. AI video editing and faceless YouTube channels. AI has made it easier than ever to make money with video content, without even showing your face. With tools like Pictory, Runway, and InVideo, you can 1. Create faceless YouTube videos that generate ad revenue. 2. Sell AI-edited videos to content creators for $100 or more per project. 3. Automate video production for businesses. Many faceless YouTube channels make over $30,000 per month just from ad revenue. Idea number 4. AI website and sales funnel automation. AI can now build entire websites and sales funnels in minutes. Using platforms like Wix AI, Durable AI, and Go High Level, you can 1. Offer AI-generated websites for businesses, charging $500 to $3,000 per site. 2. Create automated sales funnels that help businesses generate leads on autopilot. With just a few clients, this can easily turn into a 6-figure business. Idea number 5. AI automation consulting. The hidden gold mine. Businesses waste hours every day on manual tasks. AI automation experts are solving this problem and getting paid thousands of dollars for it. By using Zapier, Make.com, and OpenAI APIs, you can 1. Set up AI-powered workflows that automate repetitive business tasks. 2. Offer automation services for $1,000 to $5,000 per project. Some AI consultants are making over $50,000 per month just by helping businesses automate their workflows. These AI business ideas are already making people thousands of dollars every month, and the opportunity is only growing. Which idea are you going to try? Let me know in the comments. Make sure to like this video and subscribe for more AI money-making tips. And if you want to see AI tools that can automate your entire business, check out the next video on your screen. This version is clean, fast-paced, and perfect for Pictory AI. Let me know if you want any tweaks. Rocket 4.0